Perfect. Look at all the ceiling lighting and all that. Dry sauna at your own property. So you have your fitness room within your own unit. I truly love the layout of this stairs. So modern and chic. All right. And 2 bedrooms right across. Oh yeah, because mainly we have villas here, right?
And beautiful trees and flowers and mountain
Yes.
view.
So this house has 2 entrances because
Yeah.
it's in 2 levels.
Yeah.
Very genius move. I love it.
This flat is 3+1 duplex, garden duplex. We have a large area inside 120 square meter in and garden 100 meters area, and it will be luxury furnished.
All right.
But this flat is a special design from our company. Plus 3+1 4 rooms. We have 2 more rooms for sauna and fitness.
Oh, we have a built-in inside
Sauna and fitness.
Oh, okay.
I will.
Can't go wrong with that. All right. All right, look at the quality, guys. Nice. Look at that.
At the basement floor, we have living room, kitchen, and master bedroom.
This is the
And
master bedroom.
Upstairs, we have 2 more rooms.
All right, this is not fully furnished.
Fully furnished. We
because-
are waiting for the other parts.
Mhm.
It will be ready, I think, in 10 days.
Perfect. Let me go and get another angle. Also, kind of from here. See like a garden view. Okay. All right. Perfect. Look at all the ceiling lighting and all that. Okay, that side we have the master bathroom
Bathroom for
and the
dressing
walk-in closet. Wow,
and bedroom.
nice. Sorry. All right. Super. Okay. Wow. Okay. Let me stay in this corner so you guys can kind of see the whole thing. Okay. Here we have standing shower, top to bottom, ceiling to floor, beautiful, classy, chic granites. Here is how it is right here. All right, let's go to the other side. So you have a built-in dry sauna at your own property. Okay, is there a light inside?
There is no, but they will check.
Okay, and there's eventually, it's not fully done as I said, so it will eventually be fully done. All right, so let's go. You have your fitness room within your own unit.
There will be a mirror.
All right. decent size. You can put another machine there. You would have about 3 or 4 machine.
Yeah.
And they already put a split here for air conditioning. All right, let's go to
Upstairs.
upstairs after you. Right, I didn't actually check this side.
Yeah. We used especially high quality equipments for the furnish and for the white goods.
Perfect. All right. I truly love the layout of this
We used
stairs.
For-
So modern and chic. All right. So let's go and check. All the appliances are Bosch.
Bosch, yeah.
Expensive appliances. Okay. Cool. What do you guys think about this cabinet?
For the air.
Wow. Quality, man.
Expression.
Oh, it has a slow closing too. Okay, perfect. All right. This area is pre-wired for TV and all that. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, perfect. Let's go upstairs. Look at this beautiful design. Love it. All right. So as you guys can see, they're still working on getting it fully done.
Mm-hmm.
But because of our connection, they let us come in. Since my time was very limited here in Alanya, to check this for you guys, because time is essence. I don't want you guys to lose out of these opportunities. So we got master downstairs, one full bathroom here, and 2 bedrooms right across. Okay, awesome. Very, very roomy 2 bedroom. I like it.
For this apartment, I like the most the view of this.
Oh yeah,
This
because
section.
mainly we have villas here, right?
Villas and good, beautiful trees and flowers and mountain
Yes.
view.
Guys,
Like-
because the property is already sitting on elevation, as you can see, this is pretty much the first floor, and it's still super higher than many other one down there, as you can see. In our next video, we're gonna go to the last floor penthouse, and I'll let you guys know how's that. This one is a duplex, but first floor, right on the ground. Okay, nice. Okay. Here's another bedroom. Very nice. Perfect. I love it. All right. What is this door for?
Another door, if they want to use, it can be opened. There are 2 main doors. At the basement floor, we have main door and the second.
So
You can enter from first floor.
Oh, basically, this is another entrance door from
And
the
the-
second floor.
Yeah.
So let's say if there's a guest at home and you don't want to enter from the first
Yeah,
floor,
they
you can
can
go to
use
the
this.
second floor and enter through this. This is
Yeah,
very
they can use
genius.
this.
So this house has two entrances because
Yeah.
it's in two levels.
Yeah.
Very genius move. I love it. That was just, what is that? Okay. All right, let's go through this wonderful design layout for stairs right here. Tell me guys you love it. Come on. All right, let me flip the camera really quick. Guys, if you're trying to purchase with honest and transparent team here in Alanya, I guess by now you know who to call. I came all the way from Las Vegas to Alanya to make sure all my friends and families and clients that they're planning to buy right after me, because I bought already 2 properties and I'm planning to buy more as much as God wants and help me. So I want to make sure when they come here they're fully taken care of, and there will be no ifs and buts and stuff that hidden behind the bushes from some not very honest people. Contact me, go to our social media, Realtor Rhodes, our YouTube channel. Everything is under Realtor Rhodes. Let's talk. If you have any question, DM me, and talk to you guys in another video.